Good evening, everyone. My name is Lisa Moore, and I am your instructor for English 101 here online at Glendale Community College. Welcome to class. We've officially begun. Every week, I will be making a video for you just to touch base with you. These are not stock videos that I've made in the past for other classes. They're made just for you in your class, and I will send them out every Monday, maybe every Tuesday. As the class gets rolling, you'll find these in the announcements tab within our class, but today as we begin class, I'll email this out to you until you get in a groove with it. I did send you a video during week 0 asking everybody to log in and start the orientation. If you've logged into class today for the first time, you may now understand why I wanted you to start the orientation early. You are to complete the orientation by midnight tonight. And as the time I'm making this video, it's 5:30, so you got a few more hours to get it in under the wire. Tomorrow, you're going to complete your first assignment in McGraw-Hill Connect. And you may notice you're doing 5 separate assignments, and some of them can be a little time-consuming. And they're not listed. Each assignment is not listed as having a ton of points. However, you will notice that when you're done with all of those, you have a summary that you send me where I ask you a few questions and you tell me about what you learned in the lesson and you ask me questions about anything. It could be about class or it could be about Connect. And that's worth 50 points. So when you think about it, each Connect lesson, and there will be 5 throughout the semester, is worth 60 points. Your essays are worth 100. So don't get discouraged when you see the low points on the individual assignments, because altogether the Connect assignments are worth quite a bit. Wednesday and Thursday, you'll be moving into Module 1. We're going to be doing a compare or contrast essay, exploring a personal freedom and how that personal freedom has evolved or changed over time. So we're already diving into our course content this week. So you have a lot on your plate, but you can do it. So the last thing I just want you to keep in mind, if you haven't already figured this out or if you didn't watch my previous video, this is a 12-week course. That does not mean that you're doing less work than somebody who's taking a 16-week course. You're doing 16 weeks worth of work in 12 weeks of time. So this class is a little bit accelerated, and so I'm going to be a little bit on you about your due dates and making sure that you don't fall behind. And also in that same vein, if somebody does not complete the orientation within the time frame that I listed in the syllabus, I'm going to withdraw that person from the class before anybody gets a chance to be underwater. So I'm here to answer your questions. I'm here to help you through whatever issues you may face. So you could always contact me through Canvas in the messaging inbox. I am online every day between 9 and 2. I'm an adjunct instructor. Most of your instructors on campus may be adjunct instructors, which means we work part-time. I have 3 classes, so I work about 20 to 25 hours a week, and those hours tend to be when my children are at elementary school. And at about 2 or 2:30, I go and I pick them up and I do all like the mom minivan stuff, like gymnastics and piano. So look forward at your assignments and make sure that if you need to contact me, you're not trying to get me at 11 o'clock at night. All right, everyone, I will see you in class. Have a great first week.